Dossier. Repeat after me. Dossier. बच्चों repeat after me.
Dossier.
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 Dossier se ta dirqua se votre dossier. We have a lesson. Dossier 1, dossier 0. Repeat after me. Dossier 0. 0 we have 0. 0. Repeat after me. Dossier basically we use for folder, file. What is dossier in French? Repeat after me. Dossier basically we use for lesson, leçon, and dossier we use for file also. You know file, dossier, c'est clair, folder. You know we have a file, folder. These things we call as dossier. Now repeat after moi. Dossier. Repeat after me.
Dossier.
Dossier.
Zero. Zero we call as
Zero.
zero. Zero. Repeat after me. Dossier 0. Repeat after me, please.
Dossier 0.
Dossier 0.
0. Clear? Now how to write 0? Let me share the screen with you. Dossier 0. 0. Now because we have 0. Clear? 0. And this E, we have a symbol. 0, we have 0. Repeat after me. 0. Can you repeat after
Zero.
0?
0.
Dossier 0. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
dossier 0, it means file. Découverte. Repeat after me. Découverte. Repeat after me, please.
Découverte.
Repeat after me. Découverte. Repeat after me, please. Découverte
Découverte.
is to discovery. Repeat after me. Découverte.
Découverte.
Repeat after me. Découverte, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre discovery. Discover. Repeat after me. Découverte.
Découverte.
Discovery. Discovery. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Identifier une langue. Repeat after me. Identifier une langue. Se présenter. Identifier. बोलो बच्चों. Découverte. Repeat after me.
Découverte.
Discovery. Découverte. Clear?
Yes,
What
sir.
is découverte? Bachos, repeat because you know what? First we have to understand the book. Now, what is book? The book which will walk upon. Identifier. Repeat after moi. And don't worry. Do not write anything in your notepad. Entire session, entire screen is under recording. So you will get a recording and you to start your, practice with the recordings. Say Claire. Clear, Jasmeet? Sanjog, Himika?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Identifier in long. Session, what is session? What is French language basically? In this session, you have to participate with me in the language. It is just leave your pen and paper. In my session, don't carry with your pen and paper. I will give the recording, understand the recording, then you can pen down. In this session, you have to repeat after me. Identifier. Répétez après moi. Identifier.
Identifier.
Une, we have a. Une, we have done right.
Une.
Une, we have a. Long. Long, we have language. Une. So basically, we have une. Répétez après moi. U-N-E. Une. Une, we have what? Une, a.
Oh.
C'est clair.
For a girl or
Yes,
मतलब feminine.
Exactement. Très bien. Excellent. So, identifier in long, identify a language. Se présenter. Se présenter. Présenter is to present yourself. You know, présenter. Répétez
Yes.
après moi, to present yourself. Repeat after me. Se présenter. Repeat after me.
So
Se
présenter.
présenter.
Now repeat after me. Identify in long. Because now you will speak the language with me. Identify in long. Repeat after me. Repeat after me.
Identifier
In long. Se présenter. Feel yourself. I'm speaking French. Feel very good. Appeler son. What is appeler? Literally meaning of apple. Why apple, bachcho? Because E we have A sound, right? E we have Y
Yes,
E,
yes.
A sound. Apple, répétez après moi. Apple,
Apple.
Play.
is for spell. You know, if I will say, if you will say Himika, I will say spell your name, please. Spell, spell. This is called as apple. Répétez après moi, apple. Repeat after me, apple.
Apple.
Play.
No, spell his name. So, say Claire, spell his name. No, no, we have name. No. Répétez après moi, no. No, c'est
No.
quoi? C'est votre name. So if I ask you, appelez son nom, répétez après moi, appelez son nom,
Apple
l'alphabet,
sono.
l'alphabet. Repeat after me.
L'alphabet.
L'alphabet. L'alphabet, we have alphabets. C'est clair? Now répétez après moi. Identifier une langue. Répétez après moi.
Identifier une langue.
Se présenter.
Se présenter.
Présenter.
Appeler son nom.
Appeler son nom.
C'est clair? D'accord? L'alphabet. Répétez après moi.
L'alphabet.
L'alphabet.
Dire. Repeat after me. Dire. Repeat after me. Dire. Dire, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre dire. Let me write it down.
Dire.
Dire, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre verb to say. Repeat after me. Dire. Repeat after me. D-I-R-E. Literally meaning of dire is to tell and to say. This is a verb. Dire. Dire is my verb to tell. This is my verb. Dire. Repeat after me. Dire. Répétez après moi. Dire is my verb to tell and to say. Dire quelle langue? Quelle? Répétez après moi. Quelle? Quelle we have what and which? Quelle? Quelle? Quelle we have what? Tell what? Long? Long? What is long?
Language.
On parle. On we use on we use for individual person. The one can do, you know, we say the one can do like that. One can speak a language, one can speak, one can learn a language. That one is what? One is not number one. One is representing a person. Say Claire, Jasmeet.
Claire.
This type of one we call as on, and we can say it's we. Say Claire, d'accord. We have nous, because we already have done nous, nous. Say Claire, d'accord.
Claire.
Let me write it down. On. What is the difference between on and nous? On, nous. Nous is to we in French. On, sometimes on we use for we, but on we use for an individual person. I can say, what I would say, one can do like that, one can be on time. So that is on. Say Claire, mademoiselle, monsieur.
Claire.
Say Claire. On parle. On parle, speak. One speak. Speak. Because we have a parler. Parler is my verb to speak. Say Claire. On parle. Repeat after me, my team. On parle. Say Claire. On parle. Say what? One speak. Speak. Parler is my verb to speak. Repeat after me.
Parler.
In a session, if we are spending 60 minutes, we are spending 30 minutes, we are spending 45 minutes, whatever minutes we are spending, you have to speak, you have to apply those hours, utilize those hours in terms of speaking the French. And you have to repeat after me. Dire quelle langue on parle. Répétez après moi. Dire quelle
langue
on parle. It means say, tell what language one speak. What language one speak. Say Claire. Faire. Répétez après moi. Faire. Faire is my verb to do. Repeat after me. Faire. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Faire is my verb to do. Faire. Répétez après moi. Faire is my verb to do. Faire. Connaissance. Repeat after me. Connaissance. Répétez après moi.
Connaissance.
Connaissance is my verb to knowledge. Knowledge. Connaissance. Repeat after me, my team. Connaissance. Connaissance is my verb to knowledge. Knowledgeable. Connaissance. Knowledge. Is it clear to you? Connaissance. Awareness. Knowledge. To faire is my verb to do and to make. To make the knowledge. Dire la nationalité. Répétez après moi. Nationalité. Répétez après moi.
Nationalité.
Répétez après moi. Nationalité.
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 Nationalité is your nationality. Now over here, my team, one thing you have to understand gradually. I'm using la nationalité. Look at the notepad, please. Here. I'm using the term la nationalité. What is la?
The.
Why? Because we have done. Because nationality is your female terms. Nationality is my female terms. I will say la nationalité. Tell the nationality. Say Claire, Jasmine, Himika, and Sanjog.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Say Claire. Now, connaître. Repeat after me. Connaître. Repeat, please. Connaître. Connaître is my verb to know. Connaître.
Connaître.
Les noms. No, we have names. Now we have les. What is les? Les? Tell me. Because we have names. If we have a lot of names, my the would be converted into les. La is my singular feminine the, but my plural the is les noms de pays. It means the name of. The is my of. Pen down, please. The. Literally meaning of the is my of and from. What is the in French? What is the?
Of and from.
Of and from. The is in French, and in English we have of and from. Pays. Repeat after me. Pays. Repeat after moi. Pays. Pays, we have country. Pays. Say Claire. Now repeat after moi. Connaître. Repeat after me.
Connaître.
Les noms de pays. Répétez après moi. Connaître.
Les noms de pays.
Répétez après moi. Connaître les noms de pays. C'est clair, Miss Mademoiselle Sandhu, Himika in Saint Jean-Baptiste. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
D'accord.
So what do we mean by connaître?
Connaître is my verb to know. Jana. K-N-O-W. To know. C'est clair. Connaître. Connaître is my verb to know. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
To know the name of the country. What we say to know the name of country? Connaître les noms de pays. Répétez après moi. Connaître
les noms de pays.
Les noms de pays. C'est clair. Non, répétez après moi. Identifier un nombre. Répétez après moi. Identifier. Répétez après moi.
Identifier.
Identifier is to identify a number. Number, we have number. Nombre, we have number. Nombre. Compter. Répétez après moi. Compter. Compter. Compter is my verb to count. Compter is my verb to count. How? See, it's very small paragraph. Very small. But in this small paragraph, there are a lot of vocabularies. When you can speak the language out. Compter is my verb to count. Répétez après moi. Compter.
Compter.
Exactement. Vérifier. Répétez après moi. Vérifier. Vérifier is to verify. Vérifier, c'est connaissance. Répétez après moi. Vérifier.
Connaissance.
C'est connaissance. Is it?
Connaissance.
I'm saying verify his knowledge. Connaissance, we have knowledge. Say Claire.
Claire.
Say Claire. Say. Now I will explain to you. We are working for demonstrative adjective also in the later on. I will explain to you why say, why so, his and his. I will explain to you because we have again plural and masculine. I will explain to you later on. I will send you one link. You have to watch those links. Clear? And I will explain to you. Is it clear to you till connaissance?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Clear,
What's the
Sid?
meaning of connaissance?
Knowledge. We have done knowledge, connaissance, say Claire, and don't worry. Once you will listen the session again, then you will pen down the session. You will come to know a lot of concept. Say Claire, Sanjog.
Claire.
Now over here, try to rotate your tongue in the French language. Communiquer. Répétez après moi.
Communiquer.
Communicate.
Communiquer in class. Communiquer in class.
Communicate in class.
Communiquer en classe. On. What is on? On. On we have in. What is on? On
In.
we have
In.
communiquer en classe. Répétez après moi. Communiquer en
Communicate en class.
Now répétez après moi. Dossier zéro. Dossier zéro. Repeat after
Dossier zéro.
Découverte. Répétez après moi.
Découverte.
Découverte.
Identifier une langue. Répétez après moi.
Identifier
une
une langue.
Se présenter.
Se présenter.
Épeler son nom. Épeler son
Appeler
nom.
ce nom.
L'alphabet.
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 Dire quelle langue on parle.
Dire
Dire
quelle langue
langue
parle.
on parle.
Faire connaissance. Dire la nationalité. Répétez après moi. Faire connaissance. Répétez après moi.
Faire connaissance.
Dire la nationalité.
Dire la nationalité.
Connaître les noms de pays.
Connaître
Connaître les noms de
pays.
pays. Identifier un nombre.
Identifier un nombre
Compter.
complet.
Vérifier ses connaissances.
Vérifier ses connaissances.
Communiquer en classe.
Communiquer en classe.
Can you repeat, Mademoiselle Sandhu?
Yes, sir. Dossier zéro. Découvert.
Découverte.
Découverte. Identifier une langue.
Identifier une langue.
Identifier une langue. Se présenter.
Épeler son nom.
Appeler ce nom. L'alphabet. Décrire quelle langue.
Dire quelle langue on parle.
Décrire quelle langue parle.
Dire, abhi you can say simple. Dire quelle langue on parle.
Décrire quelle langue parle.
Parle. OK?
Parle.
Faire connaissance. Répétez après moi.
Faire
connaissance. Dire la nationalité.
Décrire la nationalité.
Abhi you will say like dire. Repeat dire. Repeat dire. Abhi simple I will say dire, right? Connaître les noms de pays. Répétez après moi. Connaître les noms de pays.
Les noms de pays.
Identifier un nombre.
Identifier un nombre.
Compter. Vérifier ses connaissances.
Vérifier ses connaissances.
Communiquer en classe.
Communiquer en classe.
Say Claire. Can you speak Himika, please?
Yes, sir. Dossier zéro. Découverte. Identifier une langue. Se présenter. Appeler son nom. L'alphabet. Dire quelle langue on parle.
On parle.
On parle. Faire connaissance. Dire la nationalité. Connaître les noms des pays.
The pays.
The pays.
Mhm.
The pays.
Mhm.
Identifier
Un
un nombre compté.
Mhm.
Vérifier ce
Ses connaissances, vérifier
ses
ses
connaissances.
connaissances. Mhm.
Vérifier ses connaissances.
Communiquer en
En
classe.
classe.
C'est clair. Sancho, can you repeat, please?
D'accord.
Mhm.
Identifier
Mhm.
en langue.
Mhm.
Se
Se présenter. Appeler son nom.
appeler ses noms, l'alphabet.
L'alphabet.
Dire
Dire quelle langue on parle.
quelle langue on parle.
Faire connaissance. Dire la nationalité. Faire connaissance. Dire la nationalité. Mhm. Connaître les noms de pays. Mhm.
Identifier un nombre.
Identifier un nombre.
Identifier un nombre.
Compter. Vérifier ses connaissances.
Vérifier ses connaissances.
Communiquer en classe.
Communiquer en classe.
Don't worry. See, whatever we are doing over here, right? Entire sessions under recording. So you can improve your tone with once you will listen the recording again and again. C'est clair? D'accord?
Claire.
Now, répétez après
Yes.
moi. Identifier une langue. Répétez après moi.
Identifier une langue.
C'est clair? Okay, this page is nothing. Okay, we can move on this. Observer. Répétez après moi. Observer.
Observe.
Observer is to observe. C'est clair. Basically, we have ear-ending verb. C'est clair. Let
Claire.
me observe. We have ear-ending verb. C'est clair, my team. Observe. Observe.
Observe.
Observe. Observe la fish. Répétez après moi. A fish. A fish.
La
What is
fish.
a fish? Let me explain to you.
Fish.
A fish, basically, we have a posture, you know. For example, let me show you. Now, what is this? Now, this is a posture. This is a posture, right? This is a posture, right? So la fish, basically, we have a posture, a fish. Observe la fish, he's saying, observe the, what is this? Okay. Now, for example, you're looking over here, it's a drawing. A lady, a girl, a professor, I'm not sure, a whiteboard, then a student. So it means you're observing a picture, say Claire. You're observing a posture, say Claire, in which we have a diagram, we have a drawing. So that posture we call as a fish. Répétez après moi, a fish.
A fish.
Why la fish? Because L-E, L-E. Because now, for example, if I say L-E, whenever we have a two vowels together, E and A, so E would be eliminate and we can say la fish. Say Claire, d'accord?
La fish. Yes.
So it's saying observe the posture de la journée. De la. Let me explain to you what is de la. Now, we will work for the preposition of the now. Now, for example, as I already explained to you, what is of and from? Tell me, my team.
Yes.
The. Say Claire.
Claire.
Now we are working for of the. Now, if we have of the, it can be the la, because it can be with masculine, the, because the is my la, right? It can be with the la, with my feminine, because what is the? We have three type of the: la, la, le. Say Claire. So of the can be combined with the plus la. Of the can be combined with the plus la, and of the can be combined with the plus le. Say Claire.
Claire.
Okay. If I'm saying of the, so it means that can be the plus la. Say Claire. If I will say of the, it can be with the plus la. Say Claire. And if I
La.
will say of the, it can be with the plus le. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
The plus le never exists in French. The plus le never exists in French. The plus le is converted into du. Now, for example, if you have of the and the is my masculine le, so that is converted into du. Say Claire.
D. Yes.
So
Claire.
behind du, we have a formula of the plus le. Say Claire, Sanjog, and Himika and Sandhu.
Yes, sir.
Claire.
Yes, sir.
The la, yes, yes. The la exists in French. The la always exists in French. Yes. The la would be the la. Say Claire. Of the with my
Claire.
female. Say Claire. And the plus
Claire.
le. The plus le. 1 second, please. Okay. The plus le is converted into they, because the plus le never exists in French. So repeat after me. The plus le. Repeat after me, please.
The plus le.
Plus la.
The plus le is equal to du. The
Du.
plus la is equal to the la.
The la.
And
The
the
la.
plus
The
le
plus
is equal
le
to
is
they.
they.
Say Claire. So repeat after
Claire.
me. The plus le, du.
Du.
The
Du.
plus la, the la.
The la.
La.
The la.
And the plus le is equal to they. Say Claire.
They.
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 Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let's
Yes, sir.
move back with the pattern of this. He's using de la journée. He's using de la
La journée.
journée.
De
Journée
la
is my day. Journée. Repeat after me. Journée is my day. Journée.
Journée is my day.
And
Journée.
my team. Day is my female in French. Day is my female in French. I will say observez. Repeat after me. Okay, let's repeat after me. Observez la fiche de la journée. Repeat after me.
Observez la fiche de la journée.
Observez la fiche de la journée.
It means observe the posture of the day. Say Claire. Journée.
Claire.
Répétez après moi. Journée. Journée, we have daytime. Day.
Journée.
European. European, we have European. European. European.
Aeropen.
European, we
Pen.
have European. European, they long. What is
Long.
they? Of the languages. Long. Long with S. See, simple long is Langue. Say Claire. But we have
Claire.
languages. So S, we can add on S. Say Claire. I'm saying of the languages. So languages is my plural. The plus le is equal to they. Say
They.
Claire. They
Claire.
long. Tell me, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sanju?
कल
Yes,
आपने
sir.
बताया था दे हम सम के लिए भी यूज करते हैं लाइक इवन दे
Exactly. They we use for some also. Whenever we are not for, I can say some languages. Say Claire. D'accord? Say Claire.
Claire.
तो
Okay.
यहाँ पे मतलब दोनों मीनिंग यूज हो सकते हैं
Exactement. Of the day, European day of some languages. Say Claire. Of the languages.
Claire.
Identifier. Et. What is the sound of et? A.
A.
What is the sound of et? Bachcho, we have only few seconds left. So I will send the link again. Okay. A, we have and identifier. Identifier is to
Identifier.
identify. Identifier. Identifier is to identify. Say Claire. D'accord.
Claire.
Now répétez après moi. Observez la fiche de la journée. Repeat after me.
Observez
la
la
fiche
fiche
de
de
la
la
journée.
journée.
European.
Européenne.
De long.
De long.
Long.
Et
Identifier.
Identifier. Say Claire. So let me convert the recording. I'm going to share a link in the next few seconds. Okay. Claire?
ओके
Okay.
Yes, sir.
One second.